Hey guys, welcome back to a video where I share with you some easy preschool lunch ideas that can be packed super fast. If you're new to this channel, you should know that I have 3 kids and that packing simple and quick lunches is something I've been doing here at MOMables for years. Whether this is your first time packing lunches or just need some easy and healthy ideas, this video covers it all. Because you know, I have 3 picky eaters at home and each of them wants me to pack something different. So what exactly do you pack for a child that only wants chicken nuggets, PB&J, or macaroni and cheese at all meals? Well, let's start with one incredibly yummy and simple recipe my kids and I love: pizza pasta salad. My kids like it for all the pizza ingredients and flavors. I like it, well, because it's made from leftover pasta and can be prepared ahead of time, which means less time in the kitchen. Of course, the idea is that you'll customize the toppings with the pasta to your child's liking. Asparagus is the one veggie your child will eat on anything, even pizza? Then that's the veggie you throw in there instead of the broccoli. Then there are the mini quiches. These protein-rich bites are a lunchbox winner and such a great source of protein that most picky eaters are excited to eat. They're also incredibly easy to make, and one batch yields 24 mini quiches, which can easily be enough for several lunches or a breakfast and a lunch. These can also be prepared ahead of time and will last in your refrigerator for up to 3 days if they can make it that long. They can be packed hot in a thermos or simply inside a lunchbox and eaten at room temperature. I have quite a few recipes in this channel, so I'll make sure to link those below for you. They include spinach and bacon mini quiches, pizza mini quiches, and taco mini quiches, just to name a few. Another kid favorite? Quesadillas. Seriously though, who doesn't like the crispy on the outside with cheesy goodness in the middle? These black bean quesadillas are protein and fiber rich from the black beans and the perfect way to use up leftover tortillas and cheese from taco night. All you have to do is give them a quick grill in the morning, let them cool down to room temperature, and then pack them in a lunchbox. Are beans not a favorite? Try apples and cheese quesadillas, or ham and cheese quesadillas, or just plain quesadillas. One of my kids' favorites is the original MOMables. It's a little bit of everything, and it's a great way to offer your child a variety of ingredients. This is a version that I made for my picky eater when she wanted the store-bought version with crackers, mystery ham, and plastic cheese. I wanted to increase the nutrition and ingredient quality, so I made my own. It's been quite successful. I like to keep the staple ingredients the same: a protein with cheese, crackers, fruit, and veggies. From there, you can choose which of each category will fit into your child's lunch. For example, turkey or ham with cheese, crackers, sliced apples or oranges with baby carrots or celery sticks. You can easily swap ingredients and add ingredients like hard-boiled eggs, hummus, or nuts for extra nutrition, and it's super easy to customize. The next one will require a thermos container to pack a delicious bowl of veggie tomato soup or chicken noodle soup. If you don't have a thermos, I have a great video with my top 5 thermos containers, and I share which ones are age appropriate, and you can select the one that fits your needs best. But soup isn't the only thing that gets packed inside a thermos. You can put pasta, teriyaki chicken, even homemade fried rice. Essentially, if it was a winner for dinner, you can pack it for lunch a day or 2 later. Last but not least, burrito bowls, and I must say that they are quite the star. It's my favorite way to use up taco leftovers, and it can easily be customized to your kids' lunch. This lunch is so popular, it's the one I shared in Good Morning America. Check the links below for this video with all the other videos and resources to help you pack a fresh and nutritious lunch for your preschooler. With picky eaters, being consistent with the introduction of foods is key, and make sure you keep trying. It can be a challenge to pack lunches when all they want is peanut butter and jelly and you want to offer a bit more variety day in and day out. I'm also going to add a bunch of school lunch idea videos at the end of this video and in the description box below. easy and simple ideas that you can make in a hurry. And while you're down there, click on that red subscribe button. A fresh new video to help you feed your family more nutritious foods comes out every single week. See you next time.